Hello viewers, what's going on? It is Prashant from WebTiron, where we provide complete software solution. In this tech tutorial, we are going to talking about some latest technology, which I think as the best alternatives of Firebase. If your prime aim is to deliver web apps without write any server-side programming code, you have an excellent option in the form of Firebase. A technology that ensures a swift and easy development of web and mobile apps which can be able to run on platforms like iOS, Android or web. When you have Firebase by your side, you need not get trapped by over provisioning serverless alongside building REST APIs. You can get away with these requirements with some basic configuration. With so much going in favor of Firebase, I will like to start with at number 1 position in my alternative list, AWS Amplify. AWS Amplify is best open source backend as a service or BaaS provider which can let you access a complete toolset that is actually designed to help the developers and organizations by making it easier for them to manage backend services management easier. It helps developers to build serverless application which can easily be built with JavaScript based frontend. This is undoubtedly a great opportunity for the people who are looking for a highly effective alternative to Firebase to enjoy amazing functionality and feature in best possible way. If we talk about AWS Amplify feature, so we can create push notification using AWS Amplify. We can also do email marketing. We can create APIs. We also can use a real-time database. That's why I am including this AWS Amplify as a best alternative of Firebase. We can build interactive and engaging conversational bot using AWS Amplify with the same deep learning technology that power Amazon Alexa. With just a few lines of code, we can create user experience through chatbot when it comes to tasks such as automated customer chat support, product information recommendation or streamlining common works. AWS Amplify is one of the most preferable options because it is providing declarative API to handle multiple cloud operations. Another benefits of AWS Amplify is it is easier to use and manage. Also, it can work fine with multiple frameworks including JavaScript based frontend. Another benefit of AWS Amplify is developers can scale entire AWS services that are available with Amplify and multiple vendors, buyers, organization and developers can work with it. If we talk about pricing plans of AWS Amplify, when it's come to buying AWS Amplify, then with its free version, you are allowed to manage up to 5 GB storage per month. I would like GameSpark to add a number second position in my alternative list. GameSpark is a dedicated gaming app development platform with a developer friendly interface. This alternative is both highly scalable and flexible. Other innovative features including latest messaging and social tools. GameSpark is easier to optimize and build amazing server-side components. If we talk about its key features, live gaming and meta game options, social matchmaking and multiplayer, enable easy IT asset management. Its features are like social and multiplayer, core pass, live game operations, meta game and economies, integrations, support infrastructure and operations, matchmaking, IT asset management. If we're talking about benefits of GameSpark, it is best gaming application development platform and it is also highly scalable and very flexible. It is also very easier to customize and GameSpark is very rich in social and messaging features. If we talk about its pricing plan, when it's come to using GameSpark, then you can easily get the benefit of its free subscriptions. Parse is very good fit for number 3 position in my alternative list to Firebase. This is time to focus on more some of the most amazing and highly effective features which you can utilize in the application to enhance the experience of users with your app. Pass is offering an amazing range of services that are truly meant to improve the functionality of your application in best possible way. Well, an important fact to know about Pass is that it is MBAS, means mobile backend as a service. Market is taking remarkable traction as soon as Facebook open sourced it in 2016. Although at the present time Facebook is not supporting the hosting anymore, but still it is growing amazingly and bringing more to the market of mobile backend as a service. PaaS is one of the leader of the BaaS market and is still working in a perfect way for the developer of various applications and is helping organization and developers to manage the application backend in the more amazing way. Most importantly, it is open source technology which is designed in a perfect way to help the developers in more cost effective and efficient way. PaaS is the easiest way to utilize the amazing MBaaS service which can bring more benefit for the most of the developers are getting benefit from the building middleware a small solution. It is because this platform is easier to utilize as compared to various other similar options. Even more, it comes with the entire features, tools and services that developers can ever need to develop and manage backend services of any application in the best possible way. If we talk about its feature, so it is also provide a real-time database. It also provides social media integration. Built-in security is its best feature. It also provides file storage providence. It is very easy to use for hosting services with SSL hosting. It provides user management system and also user session management system. If we talk about benefits of PaaS, it can help you to manage multiple resources in the best possible way. An amazing range of features can provide complete functional backend with ease. It is very easy to use and download, and its main benefit is a very good and huge community of developers is working behind to support the new users. If we talk about its pricing or plan, so a self-hosted pass start at a $5 per month. You can purchase it from DigitalOcean or Back4App. At number 4 position, Back4App is very good alternative of Firebase. Back4App is devoted to creating quality mobile and web application. Whether it can be single or cross-platform, Back4App provide more ease to developers and focus them on another aspect of app. It helps to speed up the development process to about 80% along with the efficiency hosting, IoT, web and mobile application. Back4App has multiple solutions for rapid integration and convenient app development. Most interestingly, the developers who are using PaaS framework, Back4App can provide them the best hosting solution too for the most management of their application development process. Most importantly, Back4App delivers a relational database that is accessible via GraphQL or REST API. This can provide more ease and convenience to the developers and can help them to focus more on the important user service or frontend. More amazingly, Back4App is an open source solution which is offering multiple tool and integration which are helping developers to implement their required functionality into the projects to build them a better and faster in the possible way. If we talk about its feature, it is number 1 open source. It uses the data model and plus GraphQL API. You can use it for notifications or collaborative database. It also for log viewer, and you can transfer your app or you can use it for cloning your app. It provides very good data management dashboard. It also provides private cloud option, and the main why I am using it for as an alternative, it also provide a real time. If you are building a multi-tenant based application, so Back4 app also provide a multi-tenant dashboard. If we talk about authentication, so it provide a two-factor authentication or email verification. It also provide automated backups. So the main benefit of using Back4 app is open source backend generator with numerous of features. And this company offer hosting option in China and the Middle East. You can use it for real-time database with live queries. Also, you can manage multiple parse server version with very easy. Back4 app is very scalable and flexible, and it provides very highly optimized storage options. If we talk about a pricing plan of a Back4 app, so you can easily scale your service as per your need. It is come with a very flexible pricing plan. A generous free tier is also available. However, the basic option is starting with $5. At number 5, Cuzzle is one of the most amazing and ready to use backend platform, which is meant to unify and power innovative solution for web, mobile and IoT application. It comes with a unique propositions based on rapid time to market and can help the developers to earn more return on investment in the best possible way. Even more, it persistent storage, multi-protocol API, and real-time functionality, making it preferable than others. Cuzzle is designed with an emphasis on rapid market methods and enabling higher ROI for developers. These factors make it preferable than Firebase or other included real-time functionality and multi-protocol API. If we talk about its main key features, so it comes with very advanced search option and also a highly flexible backend services. You can use it as a real-time geofencing or as a push notification. If we talk about the benefit of using Cuzzle, it provides us a ready-to-use backend. It has highly flexible services. Cuzzle is best to develop innovative application. Another very good alternate to Firebase is Kinway. Kinway provides the best cloud backend service on any app. It has higher flexibility for developers to set up and scale different mobile apps. Kinway can set up the majority of the cloud services and other backend elements. Kinway's business logic make it popular among developers that they can easily host code. If we talk about its feature, one can add multiple users to Kinway. The main key feature of Kinway is its limitless data storage. Also, it provides instant and secure syncing between apps and backend. If we talk about its pricing, it's a basic starter bundle start with $2,500 per year. You can find more details about its different bundle or its a business or enterprise solution by visiting its official website. Supabase is very good fit at number 7 in my alternative list of Firebase. Supabase describes itself as open source alternative to Firebase. It's designed to help developers spin up their backend within minutes. Supabase mantra is build in weekend, scale to millions. Supabase and all its tools are mainly open source. Supabase provide instant APIs and syntax that is somewhat similar to Firebase. This helps you to handle CRUD operation in the straightforward pattern, so you can focus on building rather than rewriting repetitive CRUD code. If we talk about pricing, Supabase is an open source product, meaning it's currently free. In my alternative list to Firebase, I am keeping Pubnub at 8th position. Pubnub is a real-time messaging system for web and mobile app that can handle API for all platforms and push messages to any device anywhere in the world in a fraction of a second without having to worry about proxies, firewall, or mobile drop-off. It is a easy to use and secure global data stream network API that allow developer to connect, scale and manage real-time application and IoT devices. Apart from this, its core services which are publish, subscribe, PubNub function and chat engine. PubNub offers a collection of building block services for any type of real-time application. These services include offline mobile push real-time analytics, storage playback, AES encryption, online presence detection, access management, multiplexing and much more. The benefit of PubNub include its a simple pricing model, a separate API for managing account, flexible integration with custom application and client API availability in many technology. Its most attractive feature is that it can send instant mobile push notification even the app is not running. If you are planning for a chat service app, PubNub is a perfect for accompanying you in the whole backend services. If we talk about its pricing, its starter plan starts from $49 per month, and if you want to use its custom plan, so you can contact their sales. I will keep Cumulus at last position in my alternative list to Firebase. Cumulus is a secure, easy to use and powerful mobile app performance management platform trusted by lots of app developers across the globe. It lets you think your client-side mobile app to its cloud-based storage, setting you free from hassle of managing your own backend infrastructure. One of its noticeable feature is granular permissions, which is beneficial for mobile app development companies. If we talk about its core feature, so it provides in-app messaging and a very good analytics with crash reporting. Also, it provides app store optimization. Another Cumulus advantage about its pricing. Cumulus provides pay as you go. You can use its services for free by just registering its account and you will get a free trial. These all are alternative to Firebase in my opinion. Hope you all well as the pandemic is hitting back with the second wave. Lot of people suffering with its attack. So keep wearing your mask whenever you go outside or try to go only if it's very urgent. So see you in next tutorial.